Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get more FPS or frames per second on Roblox. So you might lag a bit in certain Roblox games or have low FPS. Now here's a quick way to fix that, or at least try to. So go into the pause menu, go to settings, then you see graphics quality here. It may say automatic. If it says that, then click the arrow to go to manual and put it to lowest setting. And as you can see, I'm getting slightly more FPS now. Now, usually when I put it to the lowest or second lowest graphics setting, I get up to like 60 FPS. And like, yeah, but it doesn't work in all games. Like super realistic games that like have lots of tiny parts or whatever. But I mean, another cause for this not going up to 60 FPS, even though, or normally when I turn it down it goes to 60 FPS, is probably because of my screen recorder software. Like, applies to any screen recorder in general. It will, like, in general, like, if you use a screen recorder, like, it will just make your game lag in general. But yeah, I mean, I would sometimes I'd put it up to the second, oh no, the second setting, so then like it still looks slightly better. I mean, if you turn this down, the graphics will look a bit worse, but at least you'll have more FPS. You either have to choose by more FPS or better graphics, like better performance or better graphics. Yeah, you have to choose between those. So yeah, that's how to get more FPS on Roblox. And if you enjoyed, then you could try subscribing something and liking the video. But anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.